Do you see how day after day we're shedding of the old? How we're yet becoming new? All of this is a part of who we are divinely. It's important to know who you are. It's important to become one with everything inside of you, right? To heal. Even the littlest insects are making noises. They're warning. Their spirit senses me. They know I'm different. They know that there's something inside of their habitat. That's how we're supposed to remember who we are. There's something inside of our energy force. It ain't quite right, y'all. It ain't quite right. And when that happens, that's when you're starting to move in a direction that allows your soul to evolve. Evolution is important. It is important. And I want you to remember that. I want you to feel and see and know that all of this, even that beautiful sun, is all connected. We are all divinely connected. And it's up to us to decide what we're going to do. Hug a tree. Feel the calmness of that tree. Feel the power directly coming from the source of earth. Mother Gaia exists in all things, even in us. We are earth. We are water. And part of our healing journey is to learn how to let go of things that no longer serve us.